Hi, good morning everybody. First of all, sorry for my voice. It's a little bit flu. Today it's unboxing day. I already received this spray ground product from United States. Lovely backpack you see in offshore edition, but you will see another video. Now I wanted to open with you this box coming from London, Supreme, for the new Nike Air Force 2 shoes in, let's see together which color. Okay, open this nice box. Okay, so you see inside the box the stickers, Supreme, just one, yeah, the bag, and invoice with the odd number. But let's go to the most interesting part. So this is Nike, you see, ta-da. So let me open. Ole, here they are. Wow, very beautiful ones. Orange color, honestly I love them. See Supreme logo here. It smells like leather. I have to check. With this lovely word famous on the back. See here, size is quite big. You see here. Sorry, okay. Size is inside on this, on the size. It's 44.5 euro size or 10.5 US. Supreme written everywhere with Air logo. You see shoelace replacement in the color of white. So really beautiful, nice here, shining finish. You see, definitely lovely, dope. Good. For any question, if you're interested on that shoes, please just contact me on my channel. Enjoy.